Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog, Dana Crosby's blog. And today is an exciting day for me because I believe I'm going to reach my 1,000th subscriber. This is March 21st, 2017. And if you've been following my blog, you know that YouTube changed their monetization program, or the YouTube partner program. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch minutes in a year. And when this went down on the 20th of February, it was last month, I had 917 subscribers. Now it has been 30 days as of yesterday, and I made it to 998 subscribers as of yesterday. So I have not looked at it today to see exactly how many subscribers I have. So I am going to do that right now. Okay, we're going to see. We're going to go to dashboard, and we're going to look right up at top. Here we go. And I have 1,402 videos up, and that was 40-something videos since that took off. I have 999. So that could change any second. It's kind of exciting for me because it is, what time is it? It's what clock say? We're 5:33 in the afternoon. And the next thing, once you've reached your 1,000, now we'll wait and see how long it takes for the partner for me to be re-enlisted back into the partner program, because supposedly it's automatic. So they got to check they got to go look and make sure that your community, that you're following community guidelines, and that you've got no copyrights against you, and none of the other bad things. Let's go to community real quick. Just check. And okay. There was a comment there. Community subscribers. That was comments. Community. What are my standings? Community settings. Okay. Pro users, no approved users. Hidden black lines. Where am I? Okay, where are you? I thought that was in community though. Okay, there we go. There's your guidelines. Alright. I have 0 copyright strikes. I have 0 community guideline strikes. So there should be no reason I shouldn't be able to get right back up. Now it'll just be a matter of time how long. Uploading. Monetization, of course, is enabled. Live streaming enabled. These are everything that you can still, longer videos, you can still do all these even though you're not monetization. Sponsorship, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers before you can enable sponsorships. So that'll be a great thing. Again, here's Super Chat. You got to have your 1,000 subscribers for that. Everything else for me is enabled, other than, of course, the monetization. So these two here will be enabled as soon as I hit my 1,000 subscriber. Where are you? Where are you? And I've got a gift. Partner verified? Okay, yeah, partner verified. And back to, where are you? So 99. Let's go back to while I'm here. Let's go to acrylics. Yeah. Analytics, excuse me. And let's take a look at some stuff here. I'm going to go right, I'll go to subscriber, and as you can see, my funds are going backwards, or going down. So hopefully for those out tomorrow, I should be able to, that'll turn right around and go back up. I've actually got 20,000 new views this month than I had last month. Come on, here it will load. Alright, there we go. What are you doing? Messing around. Alright. Messing around. Alright, I've gotten, you can see, since March to, or February to March, I've gotten 27,000 new watch times, so that's way in there. And now I've got 58,000 views in the last 28 days. Now what I want to go over here, that's over a 28-day basis. Let's do this month. So there's the 1st through the 20th, 89,000 watch minutes and 40,000 views. Now, of course, there's 85 likes and 40 dislikes, and total of 2 minutes and 10 minutes of viewing. And let's see, we'll go to this week real quick. This is Wednesday. Let's see how I'm doing. So slow. Okay, so March 18th through the 20th, so you're only talking 2 days. And what do I got? I got a little more in view time. 9,000 watch minutes and 4,000 views, and that's in 2 days. So this is really ramped up. Hey, 6 likes and 6 dislikes, evened out. So that's this week. Now let's go with I want to see retention. So we're going to go to Find my subscriber. There's your subscriber. So we're going to go subscriber and see how we're doing. You're going to see a gain and a loss. This is where it shows you how many you've lost and how many you've gained. Here we go. Yeah, I left at 18 to 20. So I've lost 2 subscribers today. Subscribers gained, well, not today, but in the last 2 days, I've lost 2 subscribers. I've gained 13. So I've gotten a total of 11 solid subscribers over the last 2 days. And so that's where I'm at right now. That's this week. Now over the month, now you jump over this month. Now we're going to go from the 1st to the 20th. And if I lose an average of a subscriber a day, there you are. So this month, I've had a total of 66 subscribers. I've lost 15, and I've gained 51 for the month. Well, so far to the 20th. Still got another 10 days. So, and as you see, I am 1 subscriber short of my 1,000 goal. So let's go back to dashboard. As you see, I'm still at 99. I'm waiting for 1 more. And last 28 days, got 131,949 watch minutes. And you need 4,000 over the year to stay within the partner program requirements. And of course, 1,000 subscribers. So views, last 28 days, I'm at 60,000. Subscribers, 89. And right now, my estimate revenue right now, which is going backwards, and that was the money I was just paid today, that was entered in my income, and it's been going backwards. So hopefully by the time I get my 99 of my 1,000, this will turn around and start going back up. So, but this time last month, I was only down I was in the 40s. So I made a major gain in 28 days. So I'm excited to find out how that's going to affect my my income now. So anyway, I was hoping I was going to have a subscriber in that during that session there, but this individual has not shown up yet, and I'm excited to see who this individual is going to be, and I look forward to chatting with this individual, because that's a change. That's a change for me. This person's going to affect my life, so to speak. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will announce who that person is in my next video here. And I can't wait to see that happen. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. You might be my 1,000th. So I look forward to it. Thanks again, and we'll catch you again on Dana Crosby's vlogs.